So we have this question as, let minus pi by 6 to minus pi by 12. So we have theta belongs to minus 30 to minus 15. Okay, so we are in fourth quadrant. Okay, later we will use this information. Suppose alpha 1 and beta 1 are the roots of the equation this. So we have two zeros from first equation, x square minus 2 sec theta x plus 1. We have alpha 1 and beta 1. Okay. Then alpha 2 and beta 2 are the zeros of this quadratic equation. Okay. They are saying that alpha 1 is greater than beta 1 and alpha 2 is also greater than beta 2. And you have to find out alpha 1 plus beta 2. Okay, we'll fix this problem. So the first equation is x square minus 2 sec theta x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we know that alpha 1 and beta 1 is here. So we'll find out that 0 minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So it is 2 sec theta plus minus root over 4 sec squared theta minus 4ac 4 by 2a, a is 1. Okay. Now if you'll observe, you have 2 over there and you have 4 in common here. Okay. So you will take 4 common from root and you will have 2 outside. So we are left with sec theta plus minus root sec square theta minus 1. And you know that sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So the final answer would be sec theta plus or minus tan theta. No, it is not. You will have mod of tan theta because you are in fourth quadrant. No, there is a possibility that tan theta may produce negative quantity. Okay, but outside root you have to have positive thing. That's why we put mod on it. Now we will figure out which one is alpha 1 and which one is beta 1. So suppose first root is sec theta plus mod tan theta. Second one is sec theta minus mod tan theta. Now, if you consider an example now, suppose you are 2 or you are minus 2. And if we will add positive quantity, let's say it is 5. So the value will get increased. Earlier you were 2, right now you are 5. Earlier you were minus 2, right now you are 3. Okay, so the value gets increased. Comfortable? And if you will like subtract positive entity, then value will diminish. Okay, means earlier you were 2, now you degraded and you become minus of 3. Earlier you were minus 2, right now you are minus 7. So your value will get reduced. Is that okay? So like look at this part. Suppose it is sec theta, so we will have some value. Okay, and if you'll add positive quantity, mod of tan theta will always provide you positive quantity, so it will become greater. Okay, so it will become bigger and this will become smaller, and we are interested in alpha 1, so this is your alpha 1. Later we will use this entity. Now we will move on to second part. So alpha 2 and beta 2 are the roots of the equation this. So look at this equation, x square plus 2 tan theta x minus 1 equals to 0. So alpha 2 beta 2 equals to minus of 2 tan theta plus or minus root over b square. So 4 tan square theta and then plus 4 by 2. Again you will observe that you have 4 in common, so you will take 4 common and 2 will come outside and you will simplify this thing. So minus tan theta plus or minus root over tan square theta plus 1, and you know that tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta and it is root, so we will have mod of sec theta minus of tan theta plus or minus mod sec theta. Now first entity would be tan theta plus mod sec theta minus tan theta minus mod sec theta. Now I have already explained you, if you will add positive quantity to anything, its value will get increased. If you will subtract positive quantity, its value will diminish. So this is your alpha 2 and this is your beta 2, and we guys are interested in beta 2, so we will consider this part. Okay, now at the end we want what? Alpha 1 plus beta 1. Now look at this. So alpha 1 plus beta 2. So alpha 1 is sec theta plus mod tan theta plus this situation. So plus minus tan theta minus mod sec theta. Okay, now look at this. This is sec theta, and you know that you guys are in fourth quadrant in which tan theta is negative, so we will multiply by minus to make it positive. Okay, so it is minus tan theta. Now we will open that bracket, so tan theta, and you know that in fourth quadrant sec theta is positive, so it will open with same sign, minus sec theta. Now you can play fruit ninja, this thing will get neutralized and we will be left with minus of 2 tan theta. So alpha 1 plus beta 2 is 2 tan theta minus में. I hope this concept is clear.